Hello everyone, welcome back. This is going to be another textural abstract painting, and for a change I am using a different tool to create textures. You must have guessed it right, it's just butter paper. I'm trying to create textures that resemble a water waves, and the abstract scene that I am trying to create is nothing but the beach scene. Okay, now for the painting, I am using a limited color palette, and the colors are cobalt blue, manganese blue, titanium white. It's going to be a very analogous painting because I am not going to be using a lot of contrasts in this painting. The colors are going to be looking harmonious in its own way, and the contrasts are going to be minimal. I'm quickly using a flat brush to create broad strokes. The place where the texture is concentrated is going to be the place where the wave hits the beach. I recommend that you try out working with limited color palette because we always tend to get very tempted when we see bright colors, and we want to always try contrasting methods to make the painting pop out. But let me tell you, working with limited color palette and working with analogous colors to be specific is in a way satisfying. I'm trying to create shadows with cobalt blue, and I'm not thinking of any specific rules as such. I'm trying to be generous when it comes to the application of paint because if I do a mistake, I can always go back and apply another paint to fix it. As we approach the end of this video, I hope you enjoyed this video. Do like and subscribe if you would like to see more of my content. Thank you so much for watching.